Good evening, YouTube friends. This is Doug, and I'm posting something that is not a car repair video. I know you're shocked by this, but I'm into some other things. And I'm in a quandary because all of my older electronics, the rubber on them seems to just go to mush. And I can't figure out why, and I did some searches and saw some other videos on YouTube, and it's about repairing things like this. This is my Video 8 Handycam, which I've had for many years. It's a great device. I really like it, but everything on it was a nice little grippable rubber is turning to mush, and it sticks to your hand, and it's just gross. So how do we fix this? How do we fix this? See, everything else about the camera is okay, but in the grippable areas, it becomes real sticky, and you touch it and it comes off on your hand. So I can tell you the perfect way to fix this. Problem solved. Submit your questions and comments. It will be much appreciated. Have a good one.